So in previous video we saw that how we can use Terraform apply command to create the resource group, and we have created this resource group 1 in my current subscription. And in this video we are going to see how we can use Terraform destroy command to delete this particular resource group. So right now I am at this Terraform on Azure and resource group directory, and in this particular directory we have all this file. Our main or resource group.tf file is there. So in this file, in this particular folder, I'm going to use Terraform destroy, and then I will hit enter. And here you can see in this particular plan field, 0 is going to add, 0 is change, and 1 to destroy. So it's clearly saying that one resource is going to destroy, and it's also showing you this particular destroyed resource group details. Okay, so when you have this dash sign in red mark, it means that this all resources and particular properties or configuration are going to destroy or are going to delete it, and that will become the null value once it is destroyed. Okay, and in final it will ask you for the confirmation, so you have to press yes to enter the value, and if you press anything apart from yes, it will just cancel this destroy process. So I'm just going to type yes and press enter. So right now it's destroying this resource group. So in case if your resource group have multiple resources created in that particular resource group, then might be it will take more time to delete it. And once it's press enter, and once you press enter and it start destroying, it will keep monitoring that particular resource group. So let me bring this portal over here and click on refresh, and you can see that the destroy process is still in progress, and right now I can see that the destroy completed successfully. So let me go ahead and click on refresh. On portal might be it will take some time, and you can clearly see now the resource group has been destroyed, or this resource group has been completely deleted. So this is how you can use Terraform destroy command to destroy your resources, but make sure that those particular resources should be present in your main.tf, or in this case we are using resource group.tf file. So you need to mention those resources over here, as Terraform is a declarative language. So whatever you declare in this particular file, it will go ahead and destroy it.